Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to make this creamy lemon butter chicken using chicken thighs. You can find the recipe link in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for chicken thighs. Okay guys, we are going to get started on this creamy lemon butter chicken. It's going to be some chicken thighs, and we're going to season them and get them nice and crispy skin, and then make a nice yummy sauce. So first the most important we want to do is season these on both sides with salt and pepper. And I've got my skillet on and I'm getting it good and hot so it will crisp up the skin. There's some salt, there's some pepper, and I'm also going to use smoked paprika, and I love using smoked paprika. It's smoky. It just tastes really good, and if you can find it in the grocery store, it's pretty easy to find now. Usually you can find it at most grocery stores, but I would pick that over regular old paprika. So I'm going to put some avocado oil in this skillet. It's nice and hot. And then we're going to put the chicken thighs skin side down and start cooking. And now we can season the other side with salt and pepper and smoked paprika. And so now we're just going to let these cook until the skin is crispy, and then we're going to flip them over and brown the other side, and then we can remove them from the pan and make our sauce. Okay, our chicken is nice and crispy, the chicken skin. So I'm going to remove it from the skillet onto a plate. And then we can make the sauce. I also want to remove this grease from the pan because you don't need all that grease. Okay, for our sauce, we're going to add some butter and let that melt. As we make the sauce, we're going to want to scrape all of these little brown bits from the bottom of the pan. I'm going to add in some garlic and let that cook with the butter. I'm just going to start scraping all of that up. We don't want our garlic to burn, so let's add in our other ingredients. We've got some cream cheese. It's going to make our sauce nice and creamy. I love these easy one-pan meals, one skillet meals. And I have a few of the other ones on my blog. You should go check them out. I really love easy. This one's not quite 30 minutes, but I really love 30-minute meals. They're just so easy to put together. Usually they only have like one skillet or one pan. You just throw them in the skillet or in the oven, and then dinner is ready. Just makes it a lot easier to get dinner going on a busy weeknight. cheese melted. So now we can add in our thyme. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the lemon juice. I'm gonna use this handy dandy lemon press if my lemon will fit in there. Oops. We've got some Parmesan cheese. Let's see how thick this is. I've got a cup of chicken broth here, but I'm probably not going to use all of it. Let's see. So we've got our sauce nice and thick. And now we can add in, I'm going to add half of this chicken broth. Nothing like a good sauce. You really smell that thyme, that lemon juice. Smells so good. We're going to let this come up to a boil or a simmer, and then all this cream cheese is going to melt. And then we can add our chicken back to the pan and put it in the oven. Almost forgot, we gotta put in our frozen chopped spinach. You could use fresh chopped spinach if you want to, but I like to use frozen. Ooh, that is looking good. And that spinach instantly thaws. It's looking really good. I'm going to add the rest of this chicken broth tonight as well. It was getting nice and thick, and since it's going to cook in the oven, it's going to continue to get even more thick. So why not? Let it get a little thicker, and then we'll add in the chicken. Okay, sauce is looking amazing. So we're going to add our chicken back to the skillet. And now we're going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Of course, you want to check your chicken with a thermometer, make sure it gets to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, our chicken is out of the oven and it looks amazing. So I'm going to put some on this plate and a little bit of the sauce on top. And then I'm going to cut into it. So you can see how juicy and perfect this chicken is. Oh, look at that. That is perfect. But sorry, I can't take a bite. I'm intermittent fasting. For real. I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below. Just click the link and it will take you to the recipe, and then you can print it and make this delicious, creamy lemon butter chicken on any weeknight for your family. And I will see you guys later. Bye.